MinGuide is a project funded by the European Commission under the Horizon 2020 programme. It addresses the need for a secure and sustainable supply of minerals in the European Union by developing a minerals policy guide. All the information related to the project can be found online on its website min-guide.eu. Its user-friendly main menu lets you browse easily and find details about the project and its consortium, as well as contacts and related projects. You can also find information about past policy laboratories and annual conferences, read all project results, and follow pre-recorded webinars. Most importantly, you can consult the Minerals Policy Guide by directly selecting a country on the map or by using the advanced search option. The Minerals Policy Guide contains information about mineral and related policies, governance, and innovation cases at member state and EU levels, as well as the respective national focal points. The search function in the sidebar allows you to find content based on criteria such as country, policy instrument type, value chain relevance, policy type, and innovation impact. At the same time, the guide showcases 24 innovation cases related to the different stages of the mining value chain. You can explore, download, or share them with your colleagues. Finally, MinGuide allows you to consult your national focal points to find more information on its country policies. You can address comments, requests, or suggestions by simply contacting info@min-guide.eu. MinGuide, your European repository of mineral policies. Just a click away.